You guys, when I made these chicken pies like 2 weeks ago, you blew up my Instagram. So I'm gonna make them again for you today. And they are perfect for Valentine's Day. Now, you could change the theme so they don't have to be for Valentine's Day, but mine, wait till you see. I actually look like I know what I'm doing, and I don't. I really don't. I don't really cook that much. But the other great thing is too, I show you some tips and some tricks on how to make these chicken pies easy, because nobody got time for complicated dinners, right? All right, so if you're interested in seeing this, then just keep watching. Okay, so let me show you how I cook these chicken pies. First, I melt a stick of butter in this saucepan with onions that I had cut up previously from a dinner earlier that week. I also, on the side, in an additional pan, throw in some chicken broth. Now, I do store-buy because I just don't have time or patience or even want to make chicken broth. I also throw in that saucepan a tablespoon or so of minced garlic. I melt all this together on the stovetop, and then I begin to prepare all the ingredients. So I'm going to cut up some carrots. I love this chopper. It makes life so much easier. Like, you ever try to cut carrots? It's awful. And here comes one of my kids stealing all the carrots. I cut up celery. I throw that in my chicken pie, along with some peas. You'll see me throw those in later on. So there's the butter, the garlic, and the onions all melting together. And there's the chicken broth sort of simmering. I get it really, really hot. I'm going to add it in a minute to make the gravy that goes on the chicken pie. So I add it slowly, and I continue to whisk, whisk, whisk. That right there I probably have on up too high, so turn it down a little bit. You really don't want it to sizzle like that. But I keep slowly adding, along with a half a cup of flour. And I keep mixing, mixing, mixing till it gets to the gravy consistency that I like. I'm throwing in some parsley, some salt and pepper, and I'm going to continue to mix. If you like it thicker, add more flour. This is heavy cream. I see people in the fall time add like pumpkin cream to make even a little bit different of a taste. I'm going to add in now the carrots and the celery and mix all those together. See, I kind of like mine a little bit thicker. This will even get thicker as it continues to warm up. Now the chickens, I'm not going to lie, I cheated and did store-bought rotisserie chickens because these are just easy chicken pies. They're delicious though. They taste homemade. Love these little ramekins. There's the peas. Now I have just a bag of frozen peas. I throw them in the mixture, the gravy mixture of the carrots and the celery. I add peas, and now I'm going to mix those in. I'm going to add all of the ingredients to each little ramekin, so everybody can have their own little chicken pie. For Valentine's Day, I've even seen these heart-shaped, but I have just the regular round ramekins. And I fill these really high, like up to the brim. You get a
mighty helping. And nope, don't make my own pie crust either. This is Pillsbury Pie Crust. It's just a package of 2. It goes a long way. I unroll it. It gets sticky. You can't leave it out of the refrigerator or it sticks together. Best off taking it out at the last minute. Now here is what makes it Valentine's themed. It is a heart cookie cutter. I'm going to cut out individual hearts for crusts on everybody's pie. Look how cute. And really, this makes it look like I know what I'm doing, and I really don't. I've seen people do leaves for the fall. You could do pumpkins for the fall. I feel like winter, and there they are. Aren't they the cutest things ever? The cutest Valentine chicken pot pies. I have done leaves. Those are pretty too. I'm going to mix up an egg and brush the tops of all these chicken pies. I'm going to throw them on my stone. And so, yep, there it is. I brush on the egg wash because it makes them all turn nice and brown. Have it all covered. My daughter said to me, oh my God, those are not going to come out. It's going to blow up. All the hearts are going to look like one big crust. But it works. I proved her wrong every time. But she's right. You ever done that with sugar cookies? Like you go to make like a heart sugar cookie and it's this big giant circle blob. These come out. So there they are. They're going to go in the oven with the egg wash on them. I bake them for about an hour. Meanwhile, I'm going to set just a little table, have some champagne, my barefoot bubbly. I made it Valentine's themed with the pink and the red. I love my little black bowls. Oh, the heart plates came from Target last year. The tablecloths, not the tablecloths, the placemats came from Target last year. Just a little dessert tray. I have chocolate covered fortune cookies. Oh, and the hearts. Chocolate chip cookies. The fortune cookies were really fun. Everybody got their own fortune. We made heart sugar cookies. Gotta have dessert. For me, sometimes that's the best part of the meal. Okay, now this is my battery operated can opener. Everybody loves that in the house. And I just dip strawberries in condensed milk. It tastes like chocolate. It's as sweet as can be and it's simple. And look, here, they're done. They come out perfect every time. A perfect heart crust. So that's how I make my heart chicken pot pies. They are perfect for a cozy dinner in for Valentine's Day or any other holiday or not. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe and I'll see you soon.